In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a favicon in Circle, so step by step. First things first, let's start by ensuring you've got the right image ready. You want to make sure you're working with a square image because this will fit perfectly when you're uploading it as a favicon. If your image isn't square, you'll want to resize it before moving forward to prevent any distortion. Now, once you have your image ready, go ahead and log into your Circle.so account. Once logged in, navigate to the Community drop-down menu. This will allow you to access various customizable settings within your community space. You should see several options here, but for our purpose, you will want to click on Site Builder. Site Builder is your main hub for customizing the look and feel of your community site. After selecting Site Builder, look for the Pages option and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your different site pages, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you're not already. Once you are in the Pages section, find the specific page where you want your favicon to be applied. It's typically the main page of your community site, but this can vary depending on how your site is set up. With your page selected, you should see a design icon somewhere on your screen. This is usually depicted as a palette or a similar graphic. Click on this design icon to access more visual settings relevant to your page. Among these settings, you will see an option that says Manage Brand. Clicking on this will direct you to a suite of brand management options for your site. Now find and click on the Favicon option. This is where we'll actually upload our image to set it as the favicon. You'll see a prompt inviting you to drop your image here to upload it. Simply drag and drop your previously prepared square image into this area, or click Choose File to manually select it from your computer. Make sure the image file size and format are compatible with the platform to ensure a smooth upload. Once your image is uploaded, review how it looks in the preview. If everything seems to be in order, it's time to finalize the process by clicking Update Theme. This will save your changes and apply the new favicon to your site. Take a couple of minutes to clear your browser cache if you don't immediately see your new favicon appear. This step ensures you're seeing the most recent changes made to your site. And that's it. You've successfully created and applied a favicon in Circle.so. It's a straightforward process, but taking each step carefully ensures everything is done correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Circle.so community space. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out our comment section or other related videos.